Welcome everyone. In the previous video, we discussed about preparation of alkane. In this video, we discuss about reaction of alkane. Please see the description. There are the links for my other two YouTube channels. My other YouTube channels are Chemistry Q&A for multiple choice question and answer in chemistry, and Chemistry class in Bengali for chemistry in Bengali. There are also links for my website www.elementarechemistry.in, my 3 Facebook pages, my Instagram account and my Pinterest account. First reaction of alkane is halogenation reaction. The reaction in which the hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by halogen is called halogenation reaction. Now, chlorination. Alkane reacts with chlorine in the presence of light or heat to produce alkyl chloride. In this reaction, chlorine replaces the hydrogen atoms of alkane one after the other to produce different type of alkyl chlorides. The reaction we see in the next slide. Now see the reaction. Methane is an alkane. It reacts with chlorine in the presence of light. H means light, or temperature 250 degree to 400 degree, and produce chloromethane CH3Cl. Here one hydrogen atom of methane replaced by one chlorine atom. Here CH4, here CH3Cl. In the next step, this chloromethane again reacts with chlorine in the presence of light and temperature 250 degree to 400 degree to produce dichloromethane. Again one hydrogen atom of chloromethane replaced by chlorine and produce dichloromethane. Here CH3Cl, here CH2Cl2. In the third step, this dichloromethane again reacts with chlorine in the presence of light or heat and produce trichloromethane. Here again one hydrogen atom of dichloromethane replaced by chlorine to produce trichloromethane. Here dichloromethane is CH2Cl2 and trichloromethane is CHCl3. In the fourth step, trichloromethane again reacts with chlorine in the presence of light or heat and produce tetrachloromethane. The hydrogen atom of trichloromethane replaced by chlorine and produce tetrachloromethane. Trichloromethane is CHCl3 and tetrachloromethane is CCl4. We start from methane CH4 and we get tetrachloromethane CCl4. All the hydrogen atom of methane replaced by chlorine one after the other. This is the halogenation reaction or chlorination reaction of methane or alkane in the presence of light or heat. Now see the nitration reaction of alkane. The reaction in which the hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by nitro group, NO2 group is the nitro group, is called nitration. Alkane reacts with HNO3 means nitric acid at high temperature to produce nitroalkane. RH is the alkane. It reacts with nitric acid, that is HNO3, at 400 degree centigrade and produce nitroalkane RNO2. Here RH, here RNO2. This H atom is replaced by this NO2 group. Here we take methane as an alkane. It reacts with nitric acid at 400 degree centigrade and produce nitromethane. One hydrogen atom of methane is replaced by NO2 group. This reaction is called the nitration reaction of alkane. Now see the sulfonation reaction of alkane. The reaction in which the hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by SO3H group is called the sulfonation. Alkane reacts with fuming H2SO4 at high temperature to produce alkane sulfonic acid. Here CRH is the alkane. It reacts with H2SO4 at 400 degrees centigrade and produce alkane sulfonic acid RSO3H. The hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by SO3H group. This reaction is called the sulfonation reaction. Here we take 2-methylpropane as an alkane. This is the 2-methylpropane. It reacts with H2SO4 at 400 degrees centigrade and produce 2-methylpropane 2-sulfonic acid. This is the 2-methylpropane 2-sulfonic acid. This hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by this SO3H group. This reaction is called the sulfonation reaction of alkane. Now see chlorosulfonation reaction. The reaction in which the hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by SO2Cl group is called chlorosulfonation reaction. Alkane reacts with sulfur dioxide means SO2 and Cl2 in the presence of ultraviolet light at a temperature of 50 degrees centigrade to produce alkane sulfonate chloride. Now see the reaction. RH means alkane. It reacts with SO2 and Cl2 in the presence of UV means ultraviolet light at 50 degrees centigrade and produce RSO2Cl, alkane sulfonate chloride. This hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by SO2Cl group. Now see one example. Here we take propane as an alkane. CH3, CH2, CH3 is the propane. It reacts with SO2 and Cl2 in the presence of ultraviolet light at 50 degrees centigrade and produce 1 propane sulfonate chloride. CH3, CH2, CH2, SO2Cl. One hydrogen atom of propane from this carbon is replaced by SO2Cl group. So we get 1 propane sulfonate chloride, and in this reaction another product is produced which is 2 propane sulfonate chloride. CH3CH SO2Cl CH3 is the 2 propane sulfonate chloride. In this case from this carbon 1 hydrogen atom is replaced by SO2Cl group, so we get 2 propane sulfonate chloride. This reaction is called the chlorosulfonation reaction. Now see the oxidation of alkane. Alkaline KMnO4 oxidizes tertiary hydrogenated alkane to tertiary alcohol. When this carbon atom is linked with other 3 carbon atom, this carbon atom is called the tertiary carbon. To this carbon atom, this hydrogen atom is attached, so it is tertiary hydrogenated alkane. It is oxidized by alkaline KMnO4 and produce tertiary alcohol. Here also this carbon atom linked with other 3 carbon atom. This is tertiary carbon, and to this carbon this OH group is attached, so it is tertiary alcohol. This is the isobutane. This is oxidized by alkaline KMnO4 and we get butyl alcohol. Butyl alcohol is this is the tertiary alcohol. So alkaline KMnO4 oxidizes tertiary hydrogenated alkane to tertiary alcohol. See another oxidation of alkane at high temperature. Methane is partially oxidized to acetylene. Methane oxidized by oxygen at high temperature 1500 degree centigrade and produce acetylene. This is the oxidation of alkane. Now see dehydrogenation. When alkane is driven over a heated catalyst heated at 500 degree centigrade to 700 degree centigrade. Catalyst is Al2O3 Cr2O3. Hydrogen molecule is removed from the alkane and alkene is produced. See here we take methane as an alkane when it is driven over a heated catalyst, heated at 500 degree centigrade to 700 degree centigrade. Catalyst Al2O3 Cr2O3, we get ethylene CH2 double bond CH2 and one molecule of hydrogen is removed. This is the dehydrogenation. Here C2H6, here C2H4. The process of converting an organic compound with a higher molecular mass into an organic compound with a lower molecular mass by applying heat is called pyrolysis, and the thermal decomposition of a higher alkane is called cracking. Cracking is the breakdown of a large alkane into smaller, more useful alkenes. When alkanes are heated to 600 degree centigrade to 700 degree centigrade at a pressure of 6 to 7 atmosphere, lower alkanes, alkenes and hydrogen are produced. The product we see in the next slide. Now see the product of pyrolysis or cracking. When propane CH3CH2CH3 is the propane heated at 500 degree centigrade 6 to 7 atmosphere pressure, we get propene CH3CH double bond CH2 plus hydrogen and ethylene plus methane. And when hexane is heated at 500 degree centigrade at 6 to 7 atmosphere, we get hexene plus hydrogen, butene plus ethane and propene plus ethylene plus methane. Now aromatization. Aromatic hydrocarbons are produced by heating 6 or more carbon atom alkanes at high temperature. Temperature is 500 degree centigrade and at a pressure of 10 to 12 atmosphere in the presence of a catalyst Al2O3 Cr2O3. In this process, cyclization and dehydrogenation take place together. This reaction is called aromatization. This process converts aliphatic hydrocarbons into aromatic hydrocarbons. Here we take N-hexane as an aliphatic hydrocarbon. N-hexane is an alkane. When N-hexane heated at 500 degree centigrade at 10 to 12 atmosphere pressure in the presence of Al2O3 Cr2O3 catalyst, cyclization occurs and one molecule of hydrogen is removed and we get cyclohexane. This is cyclohexane. From this cyclohexane, dehydrogenation occurs and remove 3 molecules of hydrogen and produce benzene. From N-hexane we get benzene. This is the aromatization. Now isomerization of alkane. When normal alkane is heated to temperature 300 degree centigrade and at a pressure of 35 atmosphere in the presence of a catalyst AlCl3 and HCl, normal alkane becomes branch alkane. This process is called isomerization. See here, N-pentane is a normal alkane, straight chain alkane. When it is heated at 300 degree centigrade at 35 atmosphere pressure in the presence of AlCl3 HCl catalyst, it produces isopentane and neopentane. These are the branch alkane. This is the straight chain alkane and isopentane and neopentane is the branch alkane. Here CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. This is the straight chain alkane and here CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH3. This is the isopentane, this is the branch alkane and this is the neopentane, this is also branch alkane. By this process we get branch alkane from straight chain alkane. This is the isomerization of alkane. Thank you.